very unique class. We have a wide range of sailors, starting from ILCA 4 kids and ending up with ILCA Masters. And this special event, the specific event here in Formia, is really special because we have 455 sailors, 38 countries came over here from all around the world.
It's amazing to have a lot of sailors coming from different countries because they are coming from Australia, New Zealand, Japan, all people. It's amazing. And to have a lot of countries here and to such an event, to a World Championship, it's huge, and it's going to be an international place, an international event with a master class, and I think it's one of the most important events with such sailors coming from here.
Allora, il flusso di persone che è arrivato nel nostro golfo, a Formia in particolare, con questo mondiale ci ha dato un'enorme visibilità, ha portato sul territorio sicuramente un indotto economico importantissimo e soprattutto ha dato lustro al nostro circolo, che è il circolo più anziano della provincia di Latina.
The magic of this class is that you're coming together, you're enjoying your life, you're enjoying racing, and you can do it for your life.